Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you're tired of stuff rolling around in the back of your car, you're gonna love what we're looking at today. The HOTOR Car Trunk Organizer. It's a game changer for keeping your vehicle clean and tidy. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Buying. If you're tired of stuff rolling around in the back of your car, you're gonna love what we're looking at today. The HOTOR Car Trunk Organizer. It's a game changer for keeping your vehicle clean and tidy. Let's get started. We've all been there. You take a sharp turn and suddenly hear your groceries or tools sliding across the trunk. That's exactly what the HOTOR Car Organizer is built to fix. It's designed to bring some much-needed order to your storage space, whether you're heading to the gym, the grocery store, or out on a long weekend road trip. What makes this organizer stand out is how much you can actually fit inside. You get two large main compartments that are perfect for bigger items, plus 6 stretchy mesh pockets on the outside. These little pockets are a lifesaver for things you need to grab quickly, like cleaning supplies, flashlights, or even your reusable shopping bags. Instead of digging through a mountain of clutter, everything stays visible and right where you left it, making every trip much more organized and stress-free. Now, you might be wondering if it can handle heavy gear. The answer is a definite yes. HOTOR uses high-quality Oxford cloth and reinforced stitching in the spots that take the most beating. It even has a thickened base panel and strong handles, which means it can hold over 60 pounds. So whether you're hauling heavy tools or a full load of groceries, it's going to hold its shape and stay stable without collapsing or falling over. One of the coolest things about the HOTOR Organizer is how flexible it is. It has adjustable Velcro strips on the sides, so if you don't need the whole thing, you can just fold it halfway. This is perfect if you want to keep it in the front seat or if you have a smaller trunk space. And when you don't need it at all, it folds completely flat. This portability makes it an essential accessory for anyone who values a tidy vehicle and an efficient travel experience. This is honestly a must-have for busy parents, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who just wants to keep their car looking its best. It turns a messy, stressful trunk into an organized system that actually works for you. No more rummaging around or worrying about things breaking in the back while you drive. Keeping your car organized has never been this easy or affordable. Check the price link in the description to grab one for your vehicle. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more great product tips. Thanks for watching and drive safe.